Gensol Engineering shares advanced over 3% after the company bagged a Rs 186 crore contract for a rooftop solar project in Dubai. Premier Energy shares gained as much as 10% today after the company's subsidiaries secured multiple orders cumulatively worth 765 crore. This includes Rs 332 crore for solar modules and orders worth 133 crore for solar cells. Shares of IT major Wipro rose as much as 3% as investors lapped up the stock ahead of a board meeting on October 17th, wherein the company's board is slated to consider the issuance of bonus shares. If approved, this will mark Wipro's fourth bonus issue ever after similar corporate actions were taken in 2019, 2017 and 2010. The last bonus issue happened in March 2019, where the company issued 3 shares to shareholders for every 1 share that they held. Hindustan Construction Company shares rose over 5% after the company received an order worth 1,000 crore from the Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation for constructing a 2-lane bridge across a key highway in the Raigad district of Maharashtra. BSE stock surged 8% as about 28,000 shares of BSE exchanged hands in a block deal worth about 13.4 crore. Over the past 12 months, shares of BSE have surged over 220% in trade. During the same time, the key Nifty 50 index has gained about 27%. Bajaj Housing Finance stock dropped over 6% as its 1-month lock-in period expired for anchor investors. As the lock-in period has ended, as many as 12.6 crore shares, or about 2% of the company's outstanding equity, will now be eligible for trading, according to Nuvama Alternative and Qualitative Research. DMart shares cracked 8% in trade as its parent Avenue Supermart's earnings show for the quarter ended September left the street disappointed, as the revenue and net profit fell way below expectations. According to some brokerages, the biggest miss for Avenue Supermart was revenue growth, which was the slowest in about 4 years. The like-for-like revenue growth was the slowest in 3 years this quarter. HMA Agro Industries shares fell over 2% after the frozen meat exporter announced a temporary suspicion of its operations in its Aligarh unit following a routine inspection by the local authorities. Sudarshan Chemical Industries shares tanked amid sharp profit booking after the stock's stellar rally in the previous session. The stock was locked in at the 20% upper circuit in the previous session after it announced acquisition of its rival's global pigment business for about 1,180 crore. Shares of Indian Energy Exchange fell as much as 6% in trade after fears of market coupling, which has been a major overhang on the stock, resurfaced yet again. The Power Secretary Pankaj Agarwal said that the work on power coupling is under progress and that the government remains committed to the same.